My new Toyota Tacoma is here. So what did I get? Morning everybody, and welcome back to Robmotive. If you've been watching the channel, then you know I have been looking to trade off my 2020 Toyota Tacoma for a new Toyota Tacoma. So I have done it. It's done. The new one's here. It's actually right over there. I'm going to show you in just a minute. Although if you paid attention in the beginning, you probably saw me switching some things over, right? Had to put the decals on the rear window, had to put the bed mat in. Those are just quick hitters, not deserving of a whole video. But what is the new Toyota Tacoma. Have a look. Here's what I've got. This is replacing the voodoo blue that I had. Now obviously it is not as flashy a color, right? This is the magnetic gray metallic. One of the colors that I really like. I actually had this color on my, I think it was a 2018, 19, I forget, 2019 I think, Toyota Tundra. And I really like the color, one, because it's a blank slate. I can add whatever accents and things that I want. That was one thing different, I guess, about the voodoo blue, is I was kind of limited as to what I could do. I could either go black, voodoo blue, or red. And that's pretty much it, I think. So with this truck, I can do whatever I want, pretty much, as far as colors go, accents and things like that. The wife had suggested orange. I'm not so sure about that. To be honest, I'm kind of leaning towards red, I must say. I do have some pieces and parts laying around. There is the skid plate from the other truck. You may see or notice the voodoo blue TRD lettering. Of course it says TRD. This is not a TRD. This is an SR5. You can see it badged right here on the side. It is indeed an SR5. So what did I actually get with it? By the way, it is a 2021, by the way. But what did I get with it? What does an SR5 come with? At least what I got on mine from the dealer. There are a couple of add-ons to it. Number one, the side steps. You can see right here. These are the same as what I had on my other truck. I do like them. They're Predator side steps. I probably am going to change them out for something else. I'm thinking of putting sliders on the truck, to be honest. Does have the blacked out badging. You can see there, as well as here, and then around the back. They did go ahead and put the inserts in where it says Tacoma, so that's blacked out as well. Otherwise, we have the LED bed lights. You can see right over there, one on each side. I do not have the plug, so that means I have the full-size cubby as opposed to the half and half or so that had the plug in it. I never use the plug, so that's not a big deal to me. And I do have the locking tailgate. The automatic, like the pop and lock kind of thing. When I lock the truck, the tailgate locks as well. Does have a tow hitch on it, along with the connections, all that good stuff. And of course, chrome rear bumpers. Those are going to have to go. They're definitely going to be a change back there. I'm not a big chrome fan, but it is what it is for now. Let's take a look around on the inside. It does have color matched door handles. I dig that. On the inside, I did get cloth. And you know, if you watch my videos, my experiences with leather, I just wanted cloth. Now, let's take a look In the front, again, cloth seating. Of course, the normal door cards and stuff. I do like this material, whatever it is. It's got to be vinyl or something, but it's real soft. Definitely an improvement over what I've had in the past. It did come with floor mats, the Tacoma floor mats. Again, it is an automatic. Here is something I've also added. That is the center console custom lid. That is left over from my 2018 Tacoma. So I decided to go ahead and put it in this truck. We do have some chrome in here, of course, chrome on the steering wheel, that's going to go, and chrome surrounding the vents, and those, of course, are going to have to go. I will be putting my phone holder up on top of the surround around the radio and stuff. That's where that's going to go. Definitely have to have that. And one more thing I do want to add that I did, and that is I added the channel logo and the YouTube Robmotive decal over there on the side. Does have the bed light up on the top behind the cab. Of course, the shark fin antenna. Little dinky skinny tires. Not a big fan of those. They're going to go anyway. They're Toyos. Perfectly fine. Nothing wrong with them, but I'm going to go with something beefier. I do like the wheels. If you look at the wheels, they are kind of a color match to the truck itself. That's kind of neat. I'm kind of digging that. They are 16 inches, so not sure what I'm going to do there. I may keep the wheels. Coming around to the front, we have halogen fog lights. I already have replacements for those. And of course, the non-LED, I believe, headlights. Those I'm going to replace later on as well. And then this plain old grill. Not a big fan of the grill on this truck. Never was, still am not. I much prefer the honeycomb type, the new one, like what I had on my TRD off-road. This is going to go. I already have what I need to take care of that. So the center is going to go. We're going to keep this around, of course. And obviously, this chrome strip here is going to go as well. We do also have one other thing I want to note. The color matched mirrors. I do like those. We don't have the turn signals in the mirrors, of course, because this is an SR5. Not a big deal. That's just kind of a novelty for me anyway, so I don't really care. But I am happy that I have the color matched mirrors. I think those look really good. I did not opt for a sunroof. Not even sure if you can get a sunroof on this trim, but I never used the sunroof. Honestly, what I thought I was going to do in getting a sunroof on the other truck was to use that for the channel, to hang the camera in there and be able to film. But it was so unstable, it was basically useless. And I am sweating to death out here. It's like, I don't know, mid-90s, maybe more, and very, very humid. Although tomorrow, it's going to be in the 80s, 50-something tonight. It's going to be awesome. Definitely going to dive into more mods and stuff on the truck tomorrow. A lot of put-ons and also a lot of new stuff. I am going to change out a lot of things on this truck. It's definitely going to be lifted. Different wheels, different tires. I am going to go with a different lift than what I did before. Not that there's anything wrong with it. That lift was perfectly fine. But I do want to try something else out, just for the channel and really for my own knowledge, just to see how something else rides. I think that would be something interesting to do. Also, one other thing I just noticed, we do have the chin strap down below. You can see it right there. That is going to have to go. I think that's horrid on the front of the truck. Definitely looks better without it, so we're going to be pulling that off too. Anyway, leave a comment, let me know what you think. There'll be plenty more videos. There'll be some pictures at the end of this one of the truck and the outgoing truck. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. This is my new blank, clean slate. Can't wait to get into it and make it better, I hope. Also, real quick, I do have 2 additional channels. Robmotive FST, all about my 2021 Toyota Tundra. And Robmotive JT, all about my 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Check them out, and if you're interested, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, smash that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.